Hi guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. This reading will be who is coming next into your life. Okay, who will be coming next into your life. So let us see what spirits and angels will say, and I will show you the piles here. So we have two piles here. Pile number one, this blue flower, and pile two, this colorful flower. Whichever flower you are intuitively connected with, you can choose the pile. If you need more time to select the pile, you can pause the video, meditate on the pile, and you can choose accordingly. Okay, so this reading will be who is coming into your life next. So let us see, and please note that these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with everybody. So take whatever resonates with you and leave the rest. Then if you like the content which I am sharing and posting, please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. And I know that my video views are very less because I'm not able to do the readings very frequently. I will try to improve. Okay, so that's all I have to say. Without wasting much time, let us start the reading. Whoever chose this beautiful flower, this reading will be for you. So let us see who is coming next into your life. Who will be coming into your life next? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Who will be coming into my pile one's life, and please give their characteristics and their personality, any other details if you can give us. Who is coming next into my pile one people's life? So the first card is Chariot. I will pull some more cards. Who is coming into my pile number one people's life? Who is coming next in my pile number one people's life? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Okay, hope you can see the cards. Yes. Okay, so these are the cards we can see here. First card is the Chariot, then second one is the Two of Swords, Ace of Wands, the Hermit, Wheel of Fortune, then Queen of Pentacles, Ten of Wands, Eight of Cups, and Page of Pentacles. Okay, so first let me tell you the signs of this person, whoever is coming into your life. Their sun sign, moon sign, rising sign, or Venus sign can be Cancer, Virgo, I can see here, and also I can see Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Also I can see very few of you might be having this person as like Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I can see Scorpio, Pisces also, Leo, Aquarius, Scorpio, and Taurus. Okay, all these signs I can see here. If you know this person already, you can resonate with that. If you know anybody already, anybody is there in your life, you can resonate with that. So first of all, this person will be entirely different from you. This person might be from a long distance. If this person is not with you, you might be meeting this person after a long time, or this person might be like a different culture, different caste, different religion. So whoever is coming towards you, this person is coming very very fast. They will travel and come towards you. Yeah, and they are entirely different from you, opposite, quite opposite I can say. So sometimes it can be twin flame connection also, but this person is coming towards you very fast. Okay, and this person can be a little nervous about that, confused about that, to come towards you, whether to come and talk to you or not. And you are also confused because you have two ways to go, or two options are there in your life right now, and you don't know which one to choose. You are blindfolded. You don't know exactly which decision to take and whom to accept, or how to go about it. You don't know. You are really confused. Two options are there in your life. And also, you want a new passionate connection, new beginning in one connection. And right now you are taking a break, and this person will be throwing a light in your life. If at all you are like in depression, or if at all you are not in a happy state, this person will bring that happiness to your life, because this person is throwing a light in your life. That means they will make you see things clearly. Maybe if you are confused, you don't know about a certain situation, this person will explain and make the things clear. And also, this person will be a destined partner, because it is wheel of fortune is there. So definitely this person is destined to meet, and there is a big role that this person will be playing in your life. Okay, then also for some of you, this person might be a single mom or a single dad, a single parent it can be, but very wealthy person, abundant person. They have everything in their life. They are very stable, and they have very strong feelings towards you. They are very nurturing, caring. They are having like motherly qualities. And also, this person might be little burdened with the responsibilities. Maybe that is the reason earlier they walked away from this connection, because eight of cups is there. So that means this person might have walked away from you. Maybe you are looking for your wife or a husband, so they are definitely coming back into your life. Maybe they left you because of lot of responsibility and burdens. They, that time they were unable to take care of all these things. That is the reason they might have left you, and they might have walked away. But the same person will be coming back to you, and they will be offering you some stable commitment they might give you, or some kind of a connection they might offer you. But I'm not seeing any marriage as such, but definitely this person will come to you with an offer and with a gift. Okay, but it is they are not decided to marry you, or decided to proceed ahead in this connection. They might be coming from a with a small offer, so which might be like kind of a let's go for dinner, or let's date, something very small they will offer. But definitely this person will come into your life. So earlier they were they left you, and they don't know how to deal with you. But right now this person is coming very slowly. They are coming towards you, not slowly coming, they are coming very very fast. But when they approach you, the approach will be very slow. So directly they won't ask you, let's get married, let's move in together. So no, that kind of things will not happen. This person will start with a small offer, but it might lead to a big thing. Yeah, it's entirely in your hands. So let's see their messages. Messages from your person, spirits and angels. What are the messages from their person? Okay. You are the true love in my life. New beginning is coming ahead for us. Okay, you know this person already, and they are saying that you are their true love. I want to offer you a stable relationship, coming home to stay. So they are coming home to stay, it seems. I lied to you, and I don't deserve someone like you. They might have lied and they left you. I hide my feelings for you, but I secretly love you so much. Okay, very nice. It's not your fault. There is nothing wrong. I think you hate me. So that is the reason you are confused, because maybe they are also confused, and they are nervous to come towards you because they think that you hate them. Okay, that's all I have for you. Pile number one. If you like this reading, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Pile number two, whoever chose this beautiful flower, this reading will be for you. So we will see who is coming next into your life. It can be your ex or current partner or somebody new. Let us see. This is a love reading. So let us see who is coming into your life next. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Who is coming next in my pile number 2's life? Please give us some guidance and clarity. The Star, who is coming next in my pile number 2's life? Please give us some guidance and clarity, spirits and angels. Who is coming next in my pile 2's life? King of Swords, Eight of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, Queen of Swords. Wow, very nice. King of Swords and Queen of Swords. Five of Wands, Queen of Wands, Seven of Wands, Nine of Swords. Okay, so these are all the cards we have here. So let us see who is coming next into your life. So the signs I'll tell you now. The signs can be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, then Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Very few of you might be having Cancer, or you might be having the Capricorn also. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn I can see. And some of you might be having Scorpio and Pisces also. Very few of you. Okay, these are all the signs I can see. If you know this person already, then you can resonate with that. So this person might be long distant to you right now. So this person might be watching over you, looking at you, social media, in the social media, stalking you, checking on you. So this person is keeping an eye on you. This person might be a very well-known person in the circle, or a celebrity or actress or actor, or this person might be a public figure, I can say. So everybody knows them, and they are very much famous. So this person will be coming into your life with lot of hope. This person is having lot of hope in this connection, and in you. That is the reason this person is coming back. You know this person already, and for many of you this person might be your wife or a husband, because we have here King of Swords and Queen of Swords and Queen of Wands. Two people might come into your life. One might be a air sign person, and other one might be a fire sign person. So two people might be entering into your life. Then one person might be a divorced person, and this person might be in a high cadre, high rank. There might be age difference also, and this person might be a police, lawyer, judge, or a military person, or any manager, CEO. Very responsible post they might be handling. So this person will be coming back into your life, and they are working also very hard on this finances. Maybe they have some financial issues. That is the reason they might have left you earlier. But this person is working hard very much, and within 1 or 2 months, this whatever they are working on, maybe the project, or maybe something they are working on, that will be done within 1 or 2 months. Then definitely they will come back to you. They are planning to come back to you right now. They are having lot of love towards you. Their cup is overflowing. They want to start a new beginning with you, and this is also very nurturing, caring, emotional, romantic relationship they want to have with you. And they might be little blunt, and they don't know how to express their feelings. For some of you, this person might be a single mom or a dad. This person might be having a ego issue. This person might be egoistic person. They might have had lot of pride. That is the reason they didn't come to you many months or years. But now they have decided that they will come back to you. But still they feel that there is somebody in your life, and they feel that it is a lot of competition is there to come towards you. So they are observing you from far, and they are under the impression that there are so many people into your life competing with each other. So they feel that you are very much attractive, very much passionate, beautiful, or handsome. So many suitors are there for you, many people are wishing to be with you. That's what they think, and that is the reason they are taking lot of time to come towards you. This person maybe might be little manipulative, and they won't say their feelings very straightforward and open. So they will be little manipulative, they will be trying to manipulate you. They might not tell their past, what they have done. So directly they will come and they might be asking your details. And one of the as I said, two people, one person might be having pets also, as a cat also might be a pet for them, or dog also for that matter. So this person is very much passionate towards you. They want to come and they want to have this a sexual union with you. They want to stay with you, they want to be with you. They are in very much in their power. So they know what they are doing. They are determined to come towards you, and they are having some inner battle to come towards you or not. They are having some inner battle, and both of them, I think so, they are having lot of issues, health issues, and they are not able to sleep at night. They have lot of regrets towards this connection. Whatever they have done in the past, they are very ashamed of that. They are thinking about you at night, and they are very much depressed state. They are crying at night, and they don't know what to do, how to start this connection again. But they are coming towards you with lot of hope. Okay, so they know that you will accept them, and you will not reject them. So they are coming with lot of hope, even though they have done something wrong with you, but they feel that you will accept them. One might be your ex partner, other one might be somebody new, but you already know them. Okay, somebody new means this might be the connection of initial stages. Maybe you know them as a friend, or maybe they might have proposed you, or they might have flirted with you. Then you might have ignored them or rejected them, something like that. But the same person will be coming back to you. So it is up to you, who will you choose and who will you accept. So this is entirely looking like a reconciliation for me. Okay, so let us see what are their messages, spirits and angels. Please give us some guidance and clarity. What are their messages for my pile number 2? What are their messages for my pile number 2? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Reconcile with me forever. I am sorry that I broke your heart. Definitely this person has done something to you, and you are broken hearted. I am so sorry. I took you for granted. I didn't understand my feelings in the past. Seeing you happy, all that I want. I love you. This person is having a lot of feelings towards you. I love you. I'm not good at expressing the feelings. This person is King of Swords. Give me a second chance, please. I beg you. So they want the second chance from you. Okay, that's all I have for you. Pile number 2. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye.